Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately from my viewers. Why is Relay Bank taking so long to receive a transfer? I've used Relay Bank for a while now, and I've always been happy with their service. However, I've noticed that it can take a while for transfers to go through. This can be frustrating, especially if you're expecting the money to arrive quickly. In this video, I'm going to explain why Relay Bank can take so long to receive a transfer. I'll also provide some tips on how to speed up the process. So, why does Relay Bank take so long to receive a transfer? There are a few reasons for this. Relay Bank is a relatively new bank. They were founded in 2018, so they're still working on building out their infrastructure. This can sometimes lead to delays in processing transfers. Relay Bank uses a different type of transfer system than most banks. They use a system called the Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) network. This network is slower than the traditional wire transfer system used by most banks. Relay Bank may be experiencing high volume. If a lot of people are trying to transfer money to their Relay Bank accounts at the same time, this can cause delays. So, what can you do to speed up the process of receiving a transfer to your Relay Bank account? Here are a few tips. Make sure that you have all of the required information. This includes the name of the sender's bank account number, and the sender's routing number. Choose the correct transfer type. If you're transferring money from another bank account, you should choose the ACH transfer option. Be patient. It can take up to 5 business days for an ACH transfer to go through. I hope this video has helped you understand why Relay Bank can take so long to receive a transfer. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.